Okay, for anyone who is interested, I am working on refurbishing an old Craftsman table saw from, my best guess is the late 50s, early 60s. See how pretty it is. And I redid the top, meaning I took the rust off and put a coat of wax on it. So now she's pretty. It's got the original miter slide here and original fence. My hope is to change the fence out with something more accurate and modern. I did get the mechanics going better. So you can see I can twist that pretty fast. And over here is the tilt. So if I unlock it like that, turn it. Now it's turning pretty smooth like it should. Set that back to 0. And lock it down. Put a new paddle stop on there, so a little more modern and safe. Around the back, you can see the motor. And I did change out the belt. I have one of those link belts from Harbor Freight. Made a big difference. And there is the model number. It's a 113-27-520. And I think that I've tracked down some vintage legs that would have more likely been used on this. So hopefully I'll be putting those on here soon. And I don't have a coin in my pocket, but I want to show you how little vibration this has. Here, I'll put a screw on there so you can see the screw. So let's go ahead and run it and see how this works. Run in like a champ. You need to stop with your knee. There you go. A Craftsman 113 from around 1960. They don't make them like that anymore.